I want impress, and I want to carry my love away to a place she loves. Die woo, oh die woo, yeah.